Okay, students, we started chapter number 1 from book 2, direct and inverse proportion. The concept of direct proportion I explained in the first video. Direct proportion. I explained the basic introduction of direct proportion, and I explained an example and gave a question from the book to solve. Now I'm going to show you the solution of the question which I gave you. Question number 1 of exercise 1A. Exercise 1A. Question number 1, page 11. Okay, have a look at it. The question says 108 identical books have a mass of 30 kg. 108 identical books. So there are two things: books and the mass. So 108 books have a mass of 30 kg, and in part 1 you have to find out the mass of 150 books. So the value is unknown, the mass is unknown. You are going to consider it as x. Now cross multiply. 108 multiplied by x equals 150 multiplied by 30. 108 is going to shift on the opposite side. So 150 multiplied by 30 divided by 108. Now simplify. 2 7s are, 2 5s are, 2 4s are, 2 5s are, 2 4s are, then 2 2s are, 2 7s are, 2 15s are, then 3 9s are, 3 5s are, 3 3s are, 3 2s are, 3 5s are. So this becomes 25 into 5 over 3 equals x. 25 into 5 becomes 125 over 3. So 125 divided by 3, this will be 41 whole 2 upon 3 kg. This is the mass of 150 books. 150 books. Okay. Now moving on to part 2 of this question. Part 2. Again, the two things are mass. The two things are the number of books and mass. The number of books, 108 books have a mass of 30 kg, and in this part you have to find out the number of books which have a mass of 20 kg. Again, cross multiply. 108 into 20 equals 30x. 108 into 20 over 30. 0 0 cancel out. 3 1s are, 3 3s are, 3 6s are. So 36 times 2 will be 72. So you can say 72 books have a mass of 20 kg. I hope the question is clear. Okay, now question number 2. Question number 2 has the same concept. In question number 2, the question is saying in a bookstore, 60 identical books occupy a length of 1.5 meter on a shelf. So two things are there: books and the length. So 60 books have a length of 1.5 meters, and you have to find out the length occupied by 50 books. So 60 multiplied by x equals to 1.5 into 50. So x equals 1.5 into 50 divided by 60. 0 0 cancel out, remove the decimal, 0 will be added because you multiply the numerator and denominator both with 10. That's why 0 is added. Okay, so 15 into 5 over 60. 5 ones are 5 12s are 3 4s are 3 5s are 5 over 4. So 5 over 4 equals x. 5 divided by 4, 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 fives are 20. So you can say 50 books will occupy 1.5 sorry 1 point will occupy 1.25 meter of the shelf. This was part 1. Now we move on to part 2. The number of such books needed to completely occupy a shelf that is 80 centimeter long. Now here you need to be careful with the length because the original length is given in meters. Now here the length he is saying is 80 centimeters. So first you will convert this length. Look, books and length. So 60 books have a length of 1.5 and you have to find out the length of 80 centimeter. So this is 1.5 meters. So 80 centimeter, first you will convert into meters. This will be 0.8 meters because you divide it by 100 when you convert into meters. So 0.8 meters, number of books x, cross multiply, 60 multiplied by 0.8 equals 1.5 multiplied by x. So 60 into 0.8 over 1.5. Remove the decimals. 60 into 8 over 15. 5 threes are 5 12s are 3 ones are 3 fours are 4 8s are 32. So you can say 32 books occupy 0.8 meters of the shelf. Okay, so I hope the questions are clear. Now what you can do is you can solve these questions in order to practice and see whether you have understood the concept or not. From page number 5, worked example 1, worked example. Number 1, and on the same page, practice now 1 part B. This is your task to solve. That's it.